Partly cloudy conditions across the Rio Grande Valley as we saw some showers pushing through, mostly from the coast out towards Hidalgo County. In fact, you're going to see some of the cooler temperatures where we saw a lot of the rain. 88 degrees right now in Edinburgh and the same out towards McAllen. 94 degrees out towards Rio Grande City. And for anyone out towards South Padre Island, about 86 degrees. Let's take a look at winds right now as they're still around 13 miles per hour, especially out towards the island itself. And Brownsville hitting around 21 miles per hour. All coming in from the east right now, and that's where most of the moisture has been coming in. We saw dry conditions coming in from the north over the past week, but over the past about 24 hours, that's when we've seen that shift as that started to come in from the south. Again, we're seeing the sea breeze showers starting to move in. Right now, there's a few cells that have been pushing their way across the border. Not as strong, so not expected for those to really make their way all the way north. But again, that is a chance of shower for portions of Weslaco, Alamo, and Mercedes itself. And when we zoom out just a bit, you can see how much moisture is actually out there. A lot of these showers won't actually make it to the valley. However, we do have a chance of rain for tonight, 20% chance, in fact. Relative humidity right now, still around 62% out towards McAllen and 63% out towards Port Isabel. A big rise from what we saw yesterday. And severe weather outlook for tonight is going to leave us in the non-severe category itself overall. So showers are possible, just not as strong. When we look at your chance of rain over the next few days, tomorrow about a 30% chance of rain out there. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday at around a 20% chance. And even then, from Thursday into Friday, it's going to die down just a bit. So mostly within Thursday night into Friday itself, and Friday will mostly be early in the morning hours. Let's go ahead and take a look over at Futurecast and what we could be expecting for tomorrow itself. Again, the same thing as what we saw today. Around 7 a.m. is when some of these showers should start pushing through. And then everyone has that chance of rain throughout the day tomorrow itself. We move into tomorrow evening, and just like what we saw today, after 6 p.m., chance of rain diminishes just a bit. We move into Wednesday, and there it is again. Once again, we see these showers possibly pushing through, mostly within the morning hours, and then Thursday into Friday, the exact same thing. Looking at your dew point and your temperatures together, you're going to notice that it's going to feel just a bit hotter than what it really is out there. At 11 a.m. tomorrow, even though it's 87 degrees out there, it's going to feel like it's 95. And notice how this doesn't really leave the hot temperature area. As we move in towards the afternoon hours, it's going to feel like it's 96 degrees out there, even though it's only about 88, 89 degrees. And so throughout most of the day tomorrow, you're going to stay within that hot category, especially as we move into around 5 p.m. That's what's going to feel the hottest throughout the RGV. Let's take a look at your 7-day forecast for your weekend is always in view. 90 degrees for tomorrow, 91 by the time we reach Wednesday, Thursday 91 degrees as well, and by Friday 92 degrees. So we do have that chance of rain over the next 4 days, but as you notice, the chance of rain diminishes. And here come the temperatures once again, back up to the mid-90s by the time you reach Saturday and Sunday.